Hello everyone, this is Murad and today I'm very excited because Watching University and CSC has organized a trip for us, and it's 4-day trips, okay? And during this trip we will go to Wuxi city. It's the city of Jiangsu province, okay? And we will explore their social and economic situation, their culture and many other things. It's a social practice organized by this Watching University. So I'm really excited about this trip, and from Watching University to train station we will go through this bus, and then from Wuhan train station to Wuxi city we will go through fast train, bullet train, okay? So let's see, and let's have our best wishes for this journey, okay? And let's explore this province and people of this province. And guys, are you excited about this trip?
Very excited.
I don't know.
Why?
I just
My friend.
You come here to live here, okay? That's nice. That's nice. Okay, hopefully you will enjoy it together.
Yeah.
And, let's see. You're from France?
New Zealand.
New Zealand. Oh, my favorite country. I like New Zealand. Okay, Wasim. I'm with Wasim. Or let's ask him. Are you excited about this trip, Wasim?
Yeah, I'm excited. This is like I'm going on a hike.
I think it's a best opportunity for us, and we should be thankful to us, University and CSC, for this trip.
Looking forward.
Okay guys, now we are entering in Wuhan railway station, okay? So we all are very excited about this trip, and we have entered in Wuhan railway station. Wasim, I think it's bigger than our airport.
Yeah. As it will also stay the same.
We arrived here, and now we will take a train from here to Wuxi city, okay? Wuxi is the city of Jiangsu province, and we just reached here and booked our tickets. Let me show you the process, okay? What will be the process to take a train here and then travel from here. First floor, second floor. At Wuhan railway station. So we all are excited
so
about this trip.
nerdy. They're nerds. They brought their laptops.
Yes, we have to do.
You are going to enjoy it. You do not forget your studies. It's part of your life.
When you're gonna enjoy, you're gonna enjoy it, man.
We are going to enjoy in the morning.
Yes, we don't want to disturb our study schedule. Yeah. So that's why
I don't know what they are saying.
Just
I don't
speak to
support them. I don't support them.
my English is finished. Kanji.
we are here on this railway station. Okay, railway station. We have reached here.
列车之间的空隙，请不要在电梯口停留，注意站台安全。高3123下站台。高3123。
Okay, so this was right? 你好。Number 6.
是6号车厢。
Okay, Luke. Okay, finally we have reached here on the train. Okay. Hi. Don't worry. Don't worry, you will find many things. Okay guys, finally we have reached here at Wuxi train station. Okay, it's Wuxi. Finally we have reached on Wuxi's railway station. Okay, so let's go and enjoy our tour here. Train, okay, bulletproof train. Now we are going to enjoy. So let's enjoy this trip here. It's very exciting to be here. ओए, sushi खाएंगे? We have reached it. Very nice hotel.
Take it back.
So this is the room which they offered us, okay, during this day. So during these 4 days we will be here. I am here to show you this room, guys. You can check this room. It's a VIP room given to us for this 4 days stay. Okay, so we will enjoy